Is learning to code a waste of time? With artificial intelligence writing flawless scripts in seconds, developers worldwide are panicking about job security.
Autonomous AI models are no longer just simple autocomplete plugins. They can now plan, generate, and debug complete software platforms from a single prompt. Because of this massive technological disruption, simply knowing how to write raw language syntax is no longer a guaranteed high-income skill. The programmers at risk are the ones acting like basic code translators. Copy-pasting boilerplate code puts you in direct competition To survive, shift your strategy. Stop focusing on syntax memorization. Instead, master high-level system architecture, precise prompt engineering, and product logic.
AI tools are brilliant at predicting code, but they completely lack human judgment. They cannot understand complex business logic, security risks, or long-term system maintenance.
The demand for software creators is higher than ever. The tools have just evolved. Hit subscribe right now for the ultimate AI engineering roadmap.